Hello and welcome to our video on how to learn to code. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of mastering the coding language, step by step. Choose the right platform. There are numerous coding platforms available, such as Codecademy, Webflow, or even HTML5 classes provided by your internet service provider. Choose one that best suits your needs and comfort level. Sign up for a course. Once you've chosen your platform, sign up for a course or tutorial series. This will introduce you to the basics of coding and help you build your foundation. Learn the basics. As you begin your journey, you'll learn the fundamental concepts of coding, such as variables, loops, and data types. Pay close attention to the teacher's guidance and take note of the example code provided. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Try your hand at coding exercises or projects provided by your platform or online resources. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and keep going. Seek help when needed. Don't be discouraged if you're having difficulty understanding a particular concept. Reach out to your teacher or a coding community, or even ask for help on forums and social media groups. Stay curious. Keep your interest in coding alive by staying curious and exploring new technologies and languages. This will help you stay ahead in the coding field and keep you motivated. In just a few simple steps, you can learn how to code and start building your skills. Remember to stay patient, practice regularly, and never stop learning. Good luck on your coding journey.